Section 2.2.45. A researcher wanted to determine the number of televisions in households. He conducts a survey of 40 randomly selected households and obtain the data to the right. And what we want to do is we want to draw a dot plot of the televisions per household. Now, draw a dot plot by placing each observation horizontally in increasing order and placing a dot above the observation each time it is observed. So to begin, we first identify the smallest and largest numbers in the data set. The smallest data value is 0 and the largest data value is 5. So since the smallest observation is 0 and the largest observation is 5, the dot plot will be drawn by writing 0 through 5 horizontally. And then next, we're going to determine the number of dots that each will be placed above each observation. So the number of dots above 0, since there's only one of them, will be 1. The number of dots above 1 is going to be 12, since there's 12 of them. The number of dots above 2 is going to be 14. The number of dots above 3 will be 9. The number of dots above 4 will be 3. And the number of dots above 5 will be 1. So we construct it by hand by doing it this way. So this is what our dot plot would look like if we're constructing it by hand. Let's go ahead and see how we can do this on StatCrunch. So here is my example. And then we're going to open it up, the data in StatCrunch. So we're going to open it up. And when we open it up, we're going to select Graph, and then go down to the dot plot. We're going to select our variable into this column. And then we can, select the kind of point size if we want to increase it or make it, larger. We can leave it at that. And then we can label. So we don't have a y-axis label, but we can label the x-axis, which is the number of televisions. So we'll go ahead and label that, and then we'll select compute. And then let's go ahead and copy that into our problem. And we can see here that it matches. So using StatCrunch is give us the same match over here. So we have 1 dot for 5, 3 for 4, and so on. And there's your dot plot.